Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for Komite Ikracos 2022. Thank you for all participation for give me a chance to present our publication research and give me a permission to share our screen. Okay, the title is our publication is analysis of the tender cost budget for transportation infrastructure construction work in the city of Surabaya. The author first is me, Mas Suryanto HS, Gede Agus Yuda PA, Muhammad Firmansyah S, Meiti Wulandari, and Purwo Mahardi. The presentation outline consists of research background, objective, method, result, and discussion and conclusion. Our research background is often discrepancies are found between budget selling, owner estimate, and bid price. Cost, the use for the budget infrastructure is not optimal. The objective of the research is knowing how the difference in the budget selling, owner estimate, and bid price for the Surabaya City transportation infrastructure construction work. And second objective is identify the cause of the difference between the budget selling, owner estimate, and the bid price for the Surabaya City transportation infrastructure construction works. The methods in the research, population in sample, population of our transportation infrastructure construction work that were tendered electronic procurement facility in the city of Surabaya in 2017 to 2021. Sample selection was carried out at stratified random sampling based on the characteristic of transportation infrastructure construction work that were tendered for a total 174 projects. Data and data collection method, data name of the project, year of tender, procurement method, budget selling value, owner estimate value, type of contract, project location, company qualification, and bidding price for the winning bidder. Data collection was carried out by visiting a procurement facility that carry out tenders for Surabaya City transportation infrastructure construction work. Data analysis technique, data processing in the study was carried out through descriptive statistics in the form of the average value or mean, maximum value, and minimum value. Data analysis relate to the cause of the difference between the budget selling, owner estimate, and the winning bid price was carried out through literature review and brainstorming with the parties making the budget project plan. Result and discussion based on a budget selling, owner estimate, and winning bid price, the high project value tender was the STMK project, construction of signal and telecommunication between Madiun, Kedung Banteng, Cross Surabaya, Solo Highway with a selling value is 244,151,000,000. But for the lowest project value is different. Based on budget selling, the lowest project value being tendered is Bamboo Bridge Construction at Zona 5 with the selling value of 298 million, and the lowest hour based on owner estimate is the new road construction of type 2 Rusunawa Siwalan Kerto road access. And based on the winning bid price, the lowest value is the same with we make owner estimate. Classification based on the characteristic of the project tender data, namely the type of the transportation project, year of tender, project location, type and construction contract, project value, and tender method can be seen in table 1. Based on type of the transportation project, the effective project, the effective optimal budget is in the train project. This is 88.11%. And a very not optimal project is the type of bridge. The bridge only 29.51%. Based on year of tender, the effective project for optimal budget using in 2017, and the very not optimal the year of tender in 2020. Based on the project location, very optimal use budget is the project in crossing Surabaya city borders, and the very not optimal is in South Surabaya. Based on project value, the very effective to use budget is a non-small project, and not effective, not optimal is in small project. Based on tender method, the very optimal for using budget is the public auction two-step pre-qualification value system, but is not optimal, very not optimal project is we use tender method of fast tender, one file post-qualification, lowest price drop system. The cause of the tender price difference from the brainstorming, we have any factor. One, the different in source of basic price data, different in unit price analysis coefficient, different in estimator perspective, different in price information profile, different in interpretation of material technical specification, different in the distribution of overhead and profit, and the last, different in unit price model use. And the conclusion of our research, the average difference in the tender price of the Surabaya City transportation infrastructure construction work is percentage form is between the owner estimate against the budget selling is 90.55%. The winning bid price against the owner estimate is 82.88%. 4%. And the winning bid price again, the budget selling is 74.8%. The cause of the difference in tender price include difference in source of basic price data, difference in unit price analysis coefficient, difference in estimator perspective, difference in price information provided, difference in interpretation of material technical specification, different in the distribution of overhead and profit, and different in unit price model use. Thank you for your attention and see you.